Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to day 52 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been running a couple businesses for the past 3.5 years, and I want to show you my ups and downs in business to see if this is something that you would like to do, or if you're already doing it, and hopefully I can be an inspiration to you. So today is going to be like kind of one of the first days is going to be a lot more lenient than the last 2 months of my path to $30,000 a month. And if you haven't watched those, I would go back and just so you can see where I started and to where I'm at now. It's definitely a journey, and a lot of you have watched, so I really appreciate you all watching. Today, we're gonna be doing FBA shipments to ship to Amazon, and we're also gonna try to strategize some new ideas with TikTok and social media, and getting my Facebook ads account working again for my website. Just trying to fix the things that have gone wrong that I haven't had time to focus on. And then also I have car work to do. I'm trying to fix my car and just be done with it. So if you don't know, I'm into cars. I love them. I have a 68 Baja Bug and I have a 2004 GTI that I just keep modifying, even though I want to sell it. I'm like, I'm gonna sell it. Like, I'm gonna get a Tesla, I'm gonna go get this, I'm gonna get that. But every time I work on it, I love that car so much. Like, they're so underrated. The 2004 GTI, the Mark IV, is super underrated. If you know anything about them, they're pretty cool. And I love it. And it's just like my little junkyard race car, and it's what makes me happy. That's what makes me happy. So I'm a motorhead for sure. But anyways, I have to do tire rotations today, spark plugs, a wheel weight fell off the car somehow. Yeah, so that's I just want to starting to get this stuff done and just be done with it. And I'm going to my parents' house tomorrow. I'm going to be staying there for 2 weeks, so it's going to be a change of scenery, change it up for both you and I for this journey. And I think it's going to be good for my health. I think it's going to be good to be at the home that, you know, I grew up in for a couple weeks. So I'm gonna go do that, and then yeah, today's gonna be played by, you know, we're just gonna play it by ear. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, for the past week and a half, I've been getting up at 8. It's not normal, but my mental health was crumbling, and I was just mentally unstable. And today was the first day I woke up at 5 again in the past week and a half. And it has a lot to do with the moment that I had, and I realized I'm burning out really fast and I'm going down a downward spiral, and I needed to stop before it got bad. And so I just want to say, you know, thank you to all of you that are supporting me and understanding. And then also I'm just really happy that I got myself out of that situation. And we're gonna scale back up. We're gonna do it more efficiently. So I hope you all enjoy the journey, and I hope you all enjoy the video today. Let's get started. All right, so starting today, we actually had some fun ones. It's a Dakota RT decal that I got created, and then also a Psalm 184 decal as well. So we got some religious ones, some car ones, and then this is my own toy, which I'm going to talk about in a second. But this is one of my best sellers that sold out. So I will let you guys know all about that right now. I don't know if I've showed you guys before, but this was one of my first medicine prank bottle products. So it says, I don't know if I can say this on YouTube, but it's one of my, it is kind of popular, but yeah, I got to restock them. So just showing you guys, if you guys are interested in this, I have them on my Amazon shop, which is in the link below, and also on my TikTok shop. So you can check them out there too. So I have 3 different SKUs of these medicine bottle ideas, and I should probably make more because they sell well. That's just another thing I can do now. I got time for it. So basically, yeah, I'm counting them, and then I'm labeling them after I've counted them. And this is my lobotomy decal, which sells really well too. So I can make more funny ones like this as well. Put them on my TikTok shop, make some funny videos with them too. All right, so I got a UPS package ready to ship out. I put 36 of those medicine bottles, prank bottles in here, and then 6 other little decals. And now I'm gonna get this shipped out, and then I'm gonna go do the car stuff that I gotta get done. And then when I get back, I'm gonna start working on larger decals. I think, and get those done and sent into the warehouse, because that's gonna have a higher return on investment. Because I can sell this from $14 to $20 to $25, honestly, and still have a higher return on investment, which can help me get to that 30K a month. It's been very easy today. I feel so much more relieved. I just feel really good right now. We're gonna go drop this off and we'll get back to it. All right, so once I dropped off the package at UPS, I had some client or customer orders I had to get out. So those are my shipping labels. Here I'm putting the shipping labels on the packages, and here are my stickers. I didn't have a lot, and it was really chill. It was really, really easy today, and I'm really excited about that. All right, so we have just a little bit of product to get out today, and I just want to say how much more relaxed I feel than I've had in months. I'm starting to get a clear head again and realize what I need to do to focus on business and grow it. Another side note here is I gotta go run and get some new tires. Apparently I have no tread in the front, which there is a little bit, but they just will not do a rotation and put weights on it. So gotta go spend some money on some high performance tires. They're not cheap. So I gotta go do that. And then I think that'll be it for today. Unfortunately, I couldn't get to the FBA shipments. Maybe I'll be able to later, but I'm not really sure. But it'll probably just cut off here, and then we will be going over yesterday's revenue. All right, so we made $16.67 on eBay yesterday. And I was surprised we made $459 yesterday, so higher than the other days. Also, why I'm blurring this picture out is because you need to see tomorrow's, because we definitely made more money today. We ended up with $476, so we are going back up. So we now totaled at $13,562 this month. We need to be at $22,000 this month, but it's okay. We're getting there. We already know that there's a really low chance we're gonna hit 30K this month because of the stuff that I'm doing, but that's okay. We're gonna get there. Listen, this is not easy, and I was telling my buddy this yesterday, like, you gotta take these risks. Like, yes, there are now less things that I'm doing, but in the meantime, I can be growing stuff on the back end that will make me double or triple what I'm making now, because I'm taking the time to build a better foundation. So I hope you guys get something from this. There's something from these videos. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. You guys are awesome. And thank you so much for making it this far. Happy Wednesday. And I hope to see you all tomorrow for day 53. See you guys tomorrow.